Friends, in this video, we will discuss how to insert a new node to the circular linked list at the beginning. So in the previous video, we have discussed about circular linked list. Unlike normal linked list, circular linked list have a link from last node to the first node in a cyclic way. Here, we are discussing how to insert a node in a circular linked list at the beginning. So if we have this linked list with elements 10, 20 and 30, and if we insert 100, it will be inserted at the beginning and we will get the new circular linked list like this. Now let us see the algorithm to insert a new node at the beginning. Here we will have two cases. The first case is the circular linked list is empty. Then the new node will be inserted and it will be the only node and it becomes the head node and will point to itself. And the second case is that the circular linked list has at least one node. Then we have to find the last node by traversing the list and insert the new node after the last node, and it should point to the current head and then make the new node the head. Now let us see the C program to insert a node at the beginning of a circular linked list. So this is the function which will add the new node at the beginning of the circular linked list. We will pass the value to be added to the function add first, and it will create a new node with that value and insert it at the beginning. So let us see how. So here first we have an empty circular linked list, so head equal to null. Now let us insert a node with value 10. So we will call the function add first by passing 10 and let us see what happens. So val equal to 10. So first create the new node using malloc function. We have struct node star new node equal to malloc of size of struct node. So it will be created in the heap and the address will be returned. So we have a new node created at address 1000. Now let us add the data to the data part. So write new node data equal to val. So 10 will be added to the data part of the new node. Now, if the circular linked list is empty, the new node will be the only node and it should become the head. So check it and we got head equal to null. So that means the linked list is currently empty. So if returns true, and since the new node should be the head and it will be the only node, its next should point to itself. So set new node next equal to new node. So this node is pointing to itself. And now make it the head of the linked list. So we have head equal to new node. So head has the address 1000 and points to this node. So as we can see, the thing is it should be cyclic. So the last node should point to the first node. So here there is only one node, so it should point to itself. Now we have the circular linked list with one node. Now let us insert another node with value 20. So first create the node using malloc. So node is created at address 2000 like this. Now add the value 20 at the data part. So write new node data equal to val. So 20 is added. Now check if the circular linked list is empty. And if it is empty, head will be equal to null. But it is not. So go to else part and find the last node by traversing the list. And in normal linked list, the last node will be pointing to null. But in circular linked list, the last node will be pointing to the first node, which is the head. So set a temporary pointer temp pointing to head and use a while loop to traverse the list till temp next equal to head. And when the loop terminates, temp will be pointing to the last node of the linked list. Here, temp equal to 1000 initially. So check if temp next not equal to head, but it is equal to head, so the condition fails and it will terminate now itself. So we got the last node now. And now we have to insert the new node after the last node. So write temp next equal to new node and it should point to the current head. So write new node next equal to head. And finally make the new node the head of the linked list. So write head equal to new node. So now we have the circular linked list with two nodes and node at 2000 being the head. Now let us insert another node with value 30. So first create the node using malloc. So node is created at address 3000 like this. Now add the value 30 at the data part. Now check if that circular linked list is empty, but it is not. So go to else part and find the last node by traversing the list. We have temp pointing to head, and using a while loop, traverse the list till temp next not equal to head. Here temp equal to 2000 now, and check if temp next not equal to head. It is equal to 1000 and not equal to head, so move temp to next node. So temp equal to 1000 now. Now check if temp next not equal to head, but it is equal to head, so the condition fails and loop will terminate. So now we got the last node. And now we have to insert the new node after the last node, so write temp next equal to new node. So last node is now pointing to the new node, and it should point to current head. So write new node next equal to head. So the new node is pointing to the head now. So finally we have to make the new node the head of the linked list. So write head equal to new node. So now we have the circular linked list with 3 nodes and the node at 3000 being the head. So that is how we can insert nodes at the beginning of a circular linked list. Now let us discuss about the time complexity. Though we are inserting the node at the beginning, we know the position, but still we have to traverse the whole list to find the last node and connect it to the new head. So the time complexity of the whole operation is order of n.